Good morning, everybody. Tommy told me to tell you about a coffee maker he's going to be unboxing for you. It's in the shape of one of my friends, Mickey Mouse. And he's really excited to share some of this Disney magic with you. Thank you, Goofy. That's right. I have a 90th anniversary Mickey Mouse coffee maker that I want to unbox and test out for you guys. I can tell I'm already going to love this, just based on the packaging alone. It fits in with my Mickey Mouse waffle maker that I bought for Christmas. Oh boy! This is what the coffee maker looks like. It brews 1 cup at a time, and it comes with a 12-ounce mug. I like to save all the packaging, just to safely store it. Sorry, I'm adjusting my camera to make sure everything's in the shot. Alright, really quick here, let's glance at the instructions to make sure I brew the perfect cup of coffee. Here is the mug. There we go. It says 90 years on the back. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. Filter, and then that's where the water goes in the back. So it's kind of like a Keurig, but without using pods. This is the coffee I'm going to be using, a nice Dunkin' Donuts medium roast, original blend. So we take the filter here and just pour in a couple of coffee beans. You can add more or less depending on your taste and preference. Place the cup like so and plug it in. It smells good. I can smell the coffee. It smells pretty strong. So it does seem like it takes a little bit of time for the coffee to brew. So it's not the fastest coffee pot. But still, it's a nice coffee pot in general. Okay, that should be good. So the reason why it took so long is probably because I added a lot more water than what I should have, which is fine. So here's my cup of coffee. Whoops, it went on the floor. It's okay, I'll clean it up. Let me just get my creamer and we'll do the taste test. I like International Delight's French Vanilla Creamer. I also like different kinds of creamers too, but this is one of my favorites. Just gonna stir it up here. Alright, and let's do the taste test. Here's to a magical morning. It's really good. Hot, but really good. Do I regret buying this coffee maker? Not at all. Do I love it? Yes. Will I keep using it? Absolutely. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments how you like your coffee. Have a great day.